Okay, you're in a large bowl. You're going to mix your buttery spread and sugar. Get that all mixed up. Creamed. Yes, we have the bowl. Here's the sugar. Pouring some sugar on it. And the mixer. Mix that up. Next, you're going to add your canned pumpkin. I guess you could use fresh pumpkin too. Even better. Gotta get every drop. Waste not, want not. I'm going to add your egg replacer in there. That's the equivalent of 2 eggs, a vegetable-based emulsifier. Works like a charm, especially when you're baking anything like this. And then you add your water. And then you're going to mix that all up as well. You're going to add your flour, your spices. That would be your salt, your cinnamon, your cloves, and your baking soda and your baking powder. And mix that all up. And for some extra texture, you're going to stir in the nuts and the raisins. Or you could use another type of nut other than walnut. You could use pecans, almonds. You get the idea. If you're not a big walnut fan, for some crazy reason. Anyway, we're going to mix that all together until it's blended. And then last but not least, you're going to pour the batter into a loaf pan of some sort, whatever you have. I'm using a round one, but you can use a 9x5. And you grease the bottom of it first. Just pour that batter in there. Like so. And then you're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 60 minutes. Maybe a little bit longer. And you know about, using a toothpick to poke in the middle of it until that comes out clean, and then you know your bread is baked all the way through. And yeah. And there you go. Pumpkin bread. You can freeze this, pull it out to enjoy later. Bon appetit.